Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook food set candlelight dinner like this in Heartopia. So to cook this food set, you need the recipe, the candlelight dinner recipe like this. You can get the recipe from the NPC chef Massimo. And then after you get the recipe, just tap on your stove and then just choose the candlelight dinner recipe like this. And then next, just complete all the ingredients. In here you need 4 foods. There are salad, and then smoked fish bagel, and then you need seafood risotto, and then tiramisu. So just complete all the foods, and after the ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking to cook this candlelight dinner like this. And okay, like this, you will automatically unlock the new dish or new recipe like this, the candlelight dinner. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.